here today. So there's this YouTuber, Nigerian YouTuber. I mean, she lives in Canada, I think, and she has been doing all these weight loss recipes, special weight loss recipe, and she said natural weight loss recipe. So since I'm gonna be starting my weight loss journey all over again, I am gonna do one of her recipes for 7 days. Take my measurement today. As soon as I'm finished, I'm gonna take my measurement, take my weight and everything, and I'm gonna see if this thing worked, because she be raving about it. I'm gonna try it out myself. I eat healthy anyway, so I don't think that's gonna be a problem. Give like an honest review on. Anyway, the YouTuber lady name is Abi'S Choice. I think she do weight loss. She have a cooking channel and she have a family channel. But yeah, I think I'm subscribed. Yeah. I don't know if I'm subscribed to all of them, but yeah, I know I'm subscribed to the weight loss channel. So let's just see. Let me start making the recipe. Find it. All right. So in this recipe, we're gonna need apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, black pepper. She said to use everything organic, but I'm not about to go to the store and get everything organic. I couldn't find my turmeric, and I bought one last night, which was organic, but I don't know where I put it. And you're gonna need I thought we needed ginger powder, but I guess not. Yeah, and then just drink it with a cup of warm water. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up, and yeah. All right, guys, so that is it. This is my first one, and I think she said you have to drink it. Really?
Yeah.
My big son. Yeah, I think she said you have to drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and then before you go to bed at night. But with me, it's gonna be kind of strange the way I have to do it, because I'm going back to work on Saturday and I work night shifts. So I'm thinking I will drink it. I don't know how I'm gonna word it. I'll drink it when I wake up. I wake up about, say, 5:45 to get ready for work. I gotta be at work at 7:30 p.m. So I wake up about 5:45. So when I wake up, I could drink it before I eat, and then I think I'm gonna stop eating about. I won't eat until I get to work until about 7:45. I will eat what I would say is my breakfast, and then I eat 7:45, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I could eat lunch about 12:30, 1 o'clock, because that's what I normally go to lunch in a thing. And then at like 3 o'clock, I eat maybe a light snack, because I mean it's night and I'm coming home to sleep in the morning, so I don't want to be eating anything heavy. So normally I'll save my salad or my fruits for about that time in the morning. Sometimes I don't even eat at all. I drink coffee because it's cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this for the next 7 days. Yay! So let's see. I just want to do like an honest review and see if I really lose any weight. And I feel like this will keep me on track. Should be drinking this with a straw since it's like apple cider vinegar. Don't mess my damn teeth up. Alright guys, so now it's time to go do the weigh-in. The moment to chew. All right, guys, Hope you guys can see it. I'm doing good. 159.4. Alright, the scale that I'm using is the 1x1. And it's a digital, you just download the app on your thing. I'm pretty sure you guys have an idea what kind of scale it is. But yeah, so this is how I track my weight. But my total body fat is 39.5%. BMI is 27.5. Okay, so that's not bad. I thought I was gaining. I'm gonna make sure I got it right. All right. $36. My belly big. My belly is a 34, guys. I'm not sure if this is the hip. Ooh, my hip is 40.5. Let's do these big thighs. I hate how big my thighs are. My thighs got bigger, guys, because I think it was like 124. I mean, 124. Okay, we're going to give this a 25.5. Yeah. So 36, 34, 40.5, 25.5. Let's see my arm. I said 12 and 3/4. All right. So that's it. Hey guys. And this is day number 3. Hey guys, it is day number 4. And I'm just gonna mix my drink real quick and get off of here. Alright guys, it is day number, is it number 4? No, it's day number 5, guys. Yeah. It is day 6. Yeah, day 6. I'm not keeping up. Day 6, one more day to go. Let's see. Too hot. Oh my god. It's too hot, guys. Anyway, day 6 and counting. Hey guys, it is finally day 7. I am so happy. I have my drink here that I'm trying to sip on. Hello guys, so it is day 8. So I did the challenge for 7 days. Let's see. It's weighing time. I'm kind of nervous to weigh. Let me just pull up my app here and then I'm going to step on my scale. So as you guys can see, still the same way, 159.4. That's from, when did I weigh? That was last Friday. So let's do this. It is 5:02 p.m. I haven't done anything because I haven't broken my fast yet. So I think I ate this morning about 3 a.m. So this is the moment of truth. Yeah. Why is this thing not working? Oh. Oh man. All right, so you guys see. I'm so scared. I didn't want to look. Oh, let it come to 0 for us. And step off. lose any weight. I gain weight, guys. I gain. How did I gain weight? I don't understand. I'm 159.8. So I gained 4 ounces. How? I don't get it. I'm so confused. But anyway, that's what it is. That thing don't make you lose no weight. But hey, to each his own. Maybe it worked for other people, but for me, it did not. Yeah. Anyway, on to my measurement. Well, I know I didn't feel like I lose any weight in my clothes. Feel any weight loss in my clothes anyway. $35 and a half. My fat belly. About 33 3/4 with space in between. Okay, so I lost a couple of my things. Let's see. $40 and a half. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my finger there. What can I have? Yeah, right here. See? 40 and a half. Alright, for these big ties, guys. For these big ties. I think it was 25 and a half. I don't believe this. It's 24 and a half. $24 and a half. Alright guys, so there you go. I don't know what I did wrong, but as you could see, I actually gained 4 ounces for the last 7 days. I don't know. I mean, and then I was trying to do like intermittent fasting, but that's not working. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, I want to say like, maybe I'm not eating enough food because I'm not eating a lot. And I'm still not losing weight. Anyway, well, whoever this worked for, I wish you guys the best. I hope it do work for you guys. I feel like everybody need to try it for themselves. For me, as you can see, it did not work. I don't know if I need to do it for an entire month, but I don't think I could keep up for an entire month to drink that thing, because sometimes I'll be like, ugh, I can't drink the whole thing. I have to force myself to drink the whole thing. It's not curbing my appetite, because as soon as I finish eating it, I'll be ready to eat. So I don't know if it was claimed to do that. What else? And maybe I need to work out. I was doing yoga, but you know, you don't really burn much doing yoga. You just pretty much stretch your body. But yeah, maybe if I was working out, I'll see better. As I said, if anybody want to try this, I will leave her a card somewhere on this video. You guys could go check her out and check out the recipe. Try the recipe yourself and see if it worked for you. Let me know if it worked for you. Comment down below. Let me know if it worked for you. Tell me what you guys think about apple cider vinegar mixture for natural weight loss. The only natural weight loss recipe there is to eat healthy and exercise. Doing all these little concoction. I think I got it. Doing all these different things is not gonna cut it. I mean, you could tell yourself it's gonna work, but it's not. But anyway, I'm not knocking anybody whatever, if it worked for you, good for you. I'm like, I wish it worked for me, because that would be easy. I don't have to work out or anything. Just drink a drink and it will work. But as you can see, didn't work for me. And alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can know each time I upload. Until next time, bye.